Hi, in this video we are glad to introduce to you how to operate TOTIME T60 Tool Cabinet. Our tool cabinet can intelligently handle cutting tools, collection and recycling, help you manage tools more efficiently and conveniently. Here is how to get the tools. Click Materials Requisition, Swipe Card, or Facial Recognition. Select the tools for collection and add it to the collection list. Pick up. The lifting tray automatically rises to the designated area. After receiving the tool, the lifting tray automatically returns to the pickup port. The pickup port opens automatically. Click Finish after picking up the goods. The pickup port automatically closes. Complete. Next, I will show you how to recycle tools. Click on Material Recycling, Swipe Card, or Facial Recognition. Select the tools you want to recycle. The interface will pop up, the recycling quantity window, and print out the barcode. Attach the barcode sticker to the box. Scan the barcode at the card scanning area. Click on Scrapped Tools or Regrindable Tools. Put the tool at the corresponding recovery port. Return to home page. Complete.